Mount up.
Hold on. Hold on. Let me go in there.
Okay.
You got me?
Yeah.
Wait, please. Keep holding me.
Yeah. We're holding you. I'm gonna rip your damn gear loops off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, hold on. Let me have that. Let me do that.
Don't let him go so I'm out the way. Yeah. You ready?
Wait a second. Pull me. Now, you gotta bring me out to the left.
Oh my God.
Don't, you let go. Somebody's still holding me, right?
I'm dying.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, get your feet up when you come back. You drop below that.
Feet.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Told you.
Oh. Drop the rope.
I could not do that ever.
Oh, big time.
That's what's supposed to happen.
You did.
Who's that?
I'm waiting for that ball of rope to get caught in something.
Adam.
I tell you, when it sounds like you can hear the sound barrier breaking as you're going